In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to delete your Snapchat account. Without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. First, download and open your Snapchat app. Next, in the top left-hand corner, click the profile icon. Now in the top right-hand corner, click the settings icon. Now you'll want to scroll all the way down till you see account and actions. And underneath that, click delete account. Next, hit continue. Log into your Snapchat to start your process of deleting your account. Now that you've logged into your account that you would like to delete, you'll need to go ahead and enter in your password one more time and hit continue. And that's how to delete your account permanently on Snapchat. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.